If you find that your refrigerator is running extra cold, follow these steps. First thing is to make sure that the vents in your refrigerator are not blocked. So this is the vent for the refrigerator. This is the vent for the freezer. If these vents are blocked, proper airflow will not be able to circulate in the refrigerator, and you might get cold spots inside the refrigerator compartment. Also, you want to make sure that if you do not have water hooked up to your refrigerator for your ice maker, make sure that your ice maker is turned off. And in this particular model, the off position, the off switch, is located right inside here, and we'll just turn it off. Normal operating temperature for your refrigerator side is 37 degrees Fahrenheit and 0 degrees for your freezer. Now, after you've made adjustments, wait 24 hours to make sure that your refrigerator has come up to temperature, and if it hasn't, then do another adjustment and wait another 24 hours, and that should solve your temperature problem.
Remember to always refer to your use and care guide.